Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Top Stuffy Recipes. Today I am going to make garlic potato fry. I have taken 600 grams potatoes, baby potatoes. You can see I have boiled it. It's all boiled. First I have washed it and then I have boiled it. So I am going to make the garlic potato fry. It's called even garlic potato roast also. So I'm going to fry this. So I will show you what I'm going to use. I have taken garlic pods, 2 green chilies, salt to taste, turmeric powder and some mustard oil. So come on, let us start the recipe. First of all, I will grind the garlic and the green chilies. The potatoes are boiled up and it's turned cold also a little bit. Now I'm going to flatten these potatoes. How to flatten it? Just see, put the potato like this and just press it tenderly. The potato should not break into halves. It should be like this. This type I will do all the potatoes, flatten all the potatoes this type. Very gently. I have flattened all the potatoes. You can see this way. Now I am going to peel them off. Take out the skin from it. This way I will clean it. This way I will peel all the skin from it. I have peeled up the potatoes. Now I will do the next step. Take one container. The paste which I have made, put it in the container. Garlic and green chili paste. Put some salt to taste. Put some turmeric powder. And I will use little bit chili powder also. Little bit chili powder because I have already put green chili. This is just to give it a nice taste, flavor. I won't make it too hot because my son likes to eat this. So mix this up nicely. Mix it up. And then put in the potatoes. Gently put in the potatoes, otherwise all the potatoes may break. So gently put them like this. I've put in all the potatoes. Now gently I will mix them. Mix the potatoes with the masalas nicely. Gently, the potatoes don't break. After putting the masalas like this, leave it for 10 minutes. The masala will soak in nicely. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, comment, share and press the bell icon that you will get all my videos on time. I'll leave this for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes is over, now I'm going to fry this. Put the oil in the pan. Let the oil turn hot. The oil is turned hot. Now one by one I will leave the potatoes in the oil. Now one by one I will turn them over. this way. Let the potatoes fry, the other side also. The potatoes are fried up. Now I will take them out. Now the same process I will repeat till the potatoes are fried up. The garlic potato fry is ready. I have taken half lime. I will squeeze this on top of it nicely. This type. And now I have taken some tomato sauce. Just take the potato like this, dip it in the sauce, and have it this way.